Last one. Paul Ashley says, digging the topical authority content. I'm currently testing the Google category electrical installation service for an electrical contractor, but that's not the category. I guarantee you that's not the category. Sorry, Paul, I'm not picking on you, man, but I promise you that is not the category. The category would be this. There's a difference, guys. This is a keyword. This is a category. Do you understand? For an electrical contractor as opposed to just electrician. Is that an actual category, electrical installation service? In fact, stand by. I got to go, guys. I should have already wrapped this, but I'm going to look this up. I can't help it. Give me a second. I'm looking for my Google Business category list, which I thought I had open. Here we go. Let's see. Go to find. Maybe if I spell it properly. Shit. All right, try that. Electrical equipment, electrical installation service. Sure enough. Okay, good. That's a category. And what did I say? If I copy that and paste this, that's the category, not this. There is that, and it's a nuanced difference, guys. I understand, but it makes all the difference in the world. Okay. All right. So back to the question. My thinking is a company name is not an electrician, and the electrical contracting company. Company name is not an electrician. An electrical contractor company installs EV charging, surge protectors, generators, etc. Changing how I approach this by your channel. What are your thoughts about this? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. You'd have to test. I don't know. Is not an electrician an electrical? Yeah, I honestly, I don't know, Paul. You'd have to test. It's you know, you'd have to test with that. You could have the primary category as an electrician to see how it performs for those search queries, and then you could swap it. You have electrical installation services an additional category, and then see how it performs. Guys, Google Business category changes, will produce a ranking change, either positive or negative, depending on whether it was an appropriate change or not. But within a matter of days, like no kidding. It's not like an indexing issue with organic changes. With the Google Business categories, like if you change the category, you can see like an immediate change in ranking positions and maps from that. I just demonstrated this again on our call today for the Build with Bradley group, part of the mastermind. I demonstrated a painting contractor who's still a client of mine, who we did that exact same thing. And on Friday, I ran the local search grid report for what it currently was. I made a Google Business category change, the primary category. And on Monday, I reran the local search grid report, and it had shot up over the weekend across the board. Every single keyword shot up significantly. And it was just by changing the Google Business category. And it was between Friday and Monday, the changes occurred, like across maps. And it was, I showed it on the map, the call, like the local search grid report. So the data is there. So what I would recommend is you go on and you have electrician is the primary category, electrical installation services, secondary or additional category. Monitor the results, local search grid, keyword, etc. Right? Then go in and swap it, change the order. Electrical installation services, primary, and electrician is secondary or additional category. Same keywords, don't change anything. Give it a couple of days, rerun the local search grid report, and you should be able to determine from that alone what is the appropriate category to optimize for. Okay, hopefully that's clear.